Namaskar, I am Ejaz Sheikh from Arts, Commerce, Science, Computer Science College, Kakasaheb Nagar. Let us see the FYBSc Computer Science Electronics paper first. Semiconductor Devices and Basic Electronic Systems. Chapter number 6, Oscillators. Using a reference book, Electronic Devices and Circuits by T.L. Floyd. First, what is oscillator? Oscillator is an electric circuit that converts a periodical waveforms on its output without an external signal source. It is used to convert DC to AC. Oscillator is a circuit that produces a continuous signal of some type without a need of input. This signal serves the variety of purpose like communication systems, digital systems, including computer systems, test equipments make use of oscillators. An oscillator is a circuit that produces a repetitive signals from the DC voltage. The feedback oscillators realize an positive feedback of the output, maintain the oscillations. The relaxation oscillator makes use of RC timing circuits to generate a non-sinusoidal signals such as square wave, triangular wave, sawtooth wave, etc. Types of oscillators: RC oscillator, Weinberg oscillator and phase shift oscillator, LC oscillator, Hartley oscillator, Colport oscillator and crystal oscillators. Also, unijunction or relaxation oscillators are also the types of oscillators. Now, the feedback oscillation principle figure shows the feedback circuit used in oscillators. When the switch at the amplifier input is open, no oscillations occur. Consider the input voltage V in results in V out is equal to AV in, and AF, that is feedback voltage, AF is equal to beta into AV in. The feedback voltage Vf is equal to beta AV in, where the beta A is called loop gain. In order to maintain the feedback voltage Vf is equal to V in, the beta A must be in the correct magnitude and phase. When the switch is closed and the input voltage is removed, the circuit will continue operating since the feedback voltage is sufficient to drive the amplifiers and feedback circuits, resulting in a proper input voltage to sustain the loop. The principle of the oscillations. The feedback oscillations is widely used for a generation of sine wave signals. The positive feedback arrangement maintains the oscillations. The feedback gain must be kept to unity to keep the output from distorting. The basic linear oscillator figure shows the structure of basic linear oscillators. Here we can see that Barkhousens criteria: if the input voltage Vs is equal to 0, the only way that V out can be non-zero is that the loop gain A beta is equal to 1, which implies that the A beta is equal to 1, or the phase shift around the loop, that is A beta is equal to 0. So the Barkhousens criteria can be stated that the magnitude of the loop gain must be unity or the slightly larger than 1, that is A beta, magnitude of A beta is equal to 1. The total phase shift around the loop or the loop gain must be 0 or 360. Now the Weinberg oscillator figure shows the circuit diagram of Weinberg oscillator. The Weinberg oscillator is a low frequency oscillator which range from few kilohertz to 1 megahertz. Working of Wine bridge oscillator. The feedback circuit in the oscillator circuits is connected to the non-inverting amplifier terminals so that the op-amp works as the inverting amplifier. The condition of zero phase shift around the circuit is achieved by the balancing the bridge. Zero phase shift is essential for the sustained oscillations. The frequency of oscillations is the resonance frequency for the balancing bridge, and it is given by expression FO is equal to 1 upon 2 pi RC. The resonance frequency FO is the inverting and non-inverting input voltage will be equal and in phase so that the negative feedback signal will be cancelled out by the positive feedback, causing the circuit to oscillate. For an inverting amplifier, the gain is set by the feedback resistor network Rf and Rin, and it is given by the ratio of minus Rf upon Rin. So we go through calculations, we get the magnitude conditions where I is equal to 1 plus R2 upon R1 into 1 upon 3 or R2 upon R1 is equal to 2. For a wine bridge oscillator, the ratio R2 upon R1 is equal to 2, then K is equal to 1 plus R2 upon R1 is equal to 3, that is K is equal to 3 and R2 upon R1 is equal to 2. Now the next oscillator is a crystal oscillator. The most communications and the digital applications require the use of oscillator with extremely stable output and high frequency. The crystal oscillators are invented to overcome the output fluctuations experienced by the conventional oscillators. The crystals used in electronic applications consist of quartz wafer held between the two metal plates and housed in a package as shown in a figure. Crystal oscillator. The piezoelectric effect. The quartz crystal is made of silicon dioxide and exhibits a property of piezoelectric effect. When a changing alternating voltage is applied to the crystal, it vibrates at the frequency of the applied voltage. In other words, the frequency of the applied AC voltage is equal to the natural resonance frequency of the crystal. The thinner the crystal, the higher its frequency of vibration. This phenomenon is called piezoelectric effect. Then crystal oscillator. The characteristics of quartz crystal. The crystal can have two resonance frequencies. One is a series resonance frequency F1 occurs when the reactance offered by the inductor XL is equal to the reactance offered by the capacitor XC. The impedance to the external circuit where the Z is equal to R. The other is the parallel resonance or anti-resonance frequency, which occurs when the reactance of the series lag equal the reactance of the CM. At this frequency, the crystal offers very high impedance of the external circuits. As shown in the graph, we can see that at the resonance frequency, very high impedance is occurred. The crystal oscillator is connected as a series element in the feedback path for the collector and the base so that it is excited the series resonance circuits. Figure shows a circuit diagram of crystal oscillator with transistorized and JFET oscillations. Since in a serial resonance the crystal impedance is the smallest, then the causes the crystal provides the large positive feedback. The resistor Rf, Rin and Ri provides the voltage divider stabilized DC bias circuits. Capacitor C provides the AC bias. Emitter resistor. Sorry. The oscillation frequency is equal to the series resonance frequency of the crystal, and it's given by output frequency F out is equal to 1 upon 2 pi square root of L into C. Then let us see a stable multivibrator with the help of IC555. Here the figure shows the pin diagram of IC555, which is also called timer IC. Here the functional diagram of the IC555, which consists the resistive networks with op-amp and flip-flops. A stable multivibrator. A stable multivibrator is also called free running multivibrator. A stable does not need a trigger pulse for external to the change the output. The period of the low and high can be calculated based on the resistor and the capacitor values connected in outside the timer. The astable multivibrators are used in a Smith-Trigger, PPM, PWM, and linear ramp generators, etc. Thank you very much to listening me, watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.